Everybody ready? Eyes located behind. Okay, back. One pull down, one push, body to waist. Separate back, you need out. And sit back, one pull, one push. Here, touch, toe up. Inward, curve down, body turn. Arrive the stays, hold the ball, T-step. Okay, turn the ball, or push forward. Sit back, rotate left palm. Turn palm face to face, T-step. Step up, turn palm, push forward. Follow half step. Pull down, arrive the stays, left palm near the ear. Obliquely forward. Pay attention, body turn to bench. Okay. Rise, T-step. Step up. Push. Okay, inward, curve down, we transition to next step with hands like that. Follow. One. Side step. Two. Follow. Sit back. Hold the ball. Step up. Parry. Pay attention. This like have a big ball and keep distance. Here flat. Here have a one fix. Fingertip forward, downward, forward. Rotate a little bit. Turn palm face to face. One hand, one behind. Sit back to behind. Eyes located behind. Cross palm, body back. Push. Turn down. Wise with your shoulder. Separate wise with your shoulder. Sit back. Eyes located left palm little bit. Body up. Push. Body straight. Sit back. Inward. Curve down. T-step. Hold the ball. It's out. Then do here. Out. Parry. Twist a little bit. Rise the right palm. Turn palm face to face. Sit back. Eyes located. Cross palm. Push. Turn down. Cross. Separate wise with your shoulder. Sit back. Eyes located. Right palm a little bit. Up.